Unlocking the Secret of Green Fingers, a guide to becoming a plant whisperer. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English idioms and phrases. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting expression that's close to nature. Green fingers, in the UK, or as it's known in the US, green thumb. This phrase paints a vivid picture of someone who has a natural talent for gardening and making plants thrive. So, if you've ever wondered why some people seem to have a magical touch with plants, you're in the right place. The phrases green fingers and green thumb are used to describe a person's natural ability to garden and grow plants effectively. It's as if their fingers or thumb, literally painted green, impart life and health to plants. But of course, there's no actual green coloration, it's all metaphorical. This expression is often used to admire someone's skill in gardening, suggesting they have an intuitive understanding of what plants need to flourish. Ever wondered where this colorful expression comes from? While the exact origins are a bit murky, the concept of a green thumb has been around for centuries. Some believe it refers to the green stain gardeners get on their thumbs from handling lots of plants and moss. Others think it might have something to do with the greenish tint seen on the thumbs of those who frequently work with terracotta pots. Regardless of its origins, the phrase has blossomed into a popular way to describe gardening prowess. Now, let's get practical and see how you can weave this phrase into your everyday English. Here are a few examples. You should see my neighbor's garden, she really has green fingers. I've never been much of a gardener, but my sister has the green thumb in our family. If you want your houseplants to survive, ask Mark for some tips, he's got a green thumb. Using this phrase in conversation not only enriches your English but also connects you with the listener through the universal love of nature and gardening. While green fingers, or green thumb, might sound like innate talents, gardening skills can be developed with practice and patience. Here are a few quick tips for those aspiring to turn their thumbs green. Learn about your plants. Understanding what each plant needs in terms of light, water, and nutrients is crucial. Regular care. Make a routine for watering, pruning, and feeding your plants. Observe and adapt. Pay attention to how your plants respond to your care and adjust as needed. Remember, every expert gardener was once a beginner. With time and dedication, you too can develop a green thumb. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the meaning and origins of green fingers and green thumb. We hope this video not only enlightens you about this charming expression but also inspires you to maybe start a little gardening project of your own. Whether you're born with a green thumb or you cultivate it through practice, gardening is a rewarding activity that connects us with nature and each other. Happy gardening, and see you in our next video.